Hey y'all, I thought that it'd be beneficial for me not to vlog as much. So the reason why I say that is because I want to participate in Veda. It's something that I have not done in a while. And if you don't know what Veda is where you vlog every single day in April or vlog every single day in August. So the A just stands for the two letters of the year. The two letters of the year's months that start with A, which is April and August. So I want to do that, not to grow my channel, but to just push myself to continue to put out content for, myself, others, and also just to see if I'm really ready once again for Vlogmas and Vlogtober. And if you don't know what those are either, let me just tell you, is where you vlog every day in the month of October and you vlog every day in the month of December. So it doesn't have to be, pertaining to the theme of Christmas or Halloween. It could be literally the season fall, the season winter. It could be your regular, schmegular vlogs, okay? But the reason why I said I wasn't going to vlog too much, I had so much on my plate today where I, wanted to finish filming my what I eat in a week, but I also wanted to clean out my closet. And y'all, look at this, literally. So all of this stuff is what I got, most of it is what I got from Goodwill that just needs to be hung up. So I went on Sunday to do dollar days, and like I said, I just have so much stuff that needs to be put away. And I have literally all of the cards from the kids over the years that I've been there. I literally have pictures, I'll have all of the above, okay? Obituaries, from my grandfather. Like I said, I just have so much. I need to put the shoes away. I need to find some place for those to go. All of my little teacher necessities from the teacher's crate. I got pants to put away. What I did go through is I went through my skirts and my capris and got that situated. I even vacuumed in there. And then this right here is just strictly for leggings, I think. No. Leggings and my leggings and capris. So leggings is on the left, capris is right here. These at the bottom are my shorts, and these are my skirts. So whenever I'm looking for something to wear for work, my next thing to go through is clearly going to be the pants, because I do not wear all of those pants, and I just bought some. So I also cleaned up here. These are all of my books that I would put into my own classroom. I just keep them here in my own view because I know how people are in summer school and stuff like that. So I want to keep it here. I have my yearbooks, all of my teaching books, and then all of my books that I've made off of Shutterfly, all of the books that I'm, either currently reading, have read, will read right there. And then over here is the shoe side where I clearly need to do something. I did something before, but now I've messed it up. And I honestly probably just need to let some of the shoes go. And then I'm gonna have to go through my pajamas down at the bottom. So I'm gonna do that, hang some clothes up, go through the clothes, see what needs to go. And of course, I also have to clean out the hamster cage today. Either I will get to it or Charles will get to it. I just recently bought some bedding. Charles be like, oh, you don't give him enough. This is enough, okay? This is enough. So I'm gonna get that done. And y'all, this is what I'm talking about. This is the reason why I didn't want to vlog, because I'm multitasking. I started in the room, I came out here. I'm like, okay, I gotta get my teacher's area together, which I don't do anything teacher-wise over here. I just say that because during COVID, that's what I was doing. So with that being said, I'm trying to just get the top of it organized. As y'all can see, it's a little bit of a mess. Charles put up my mirror that I spray painted the other day. Let me show y'all. All right, so he put up my mirror. I literally spray painted it. You can still see bits of pink, but that's all right. I don't care as long as you mostly see the blue. So he put this up, and it meant that I had to take my calendar down, and I gotta find a place for that, y'all, because that's how I keep up with all of my stuff. So I just put some other things up. If I only could just like slide this down a little bit more, I would be able to put it right here. But anyways, like I said, I gotta clean this up. This is all the stuff that's gonna go with me back to school, because it's like toys and stuff that the kids can play with if we ever have like indoor recess, or it's like my stuff where I wanna take my Mr. Coffee Ice. I wanna take these bins, get some of that stuff gone, and then I have to just finish this once I get rid of this. So like I said, I've been cleaning. I've been cleaning. I've been busting my butt cleaning, trying to get one last big hurrah together for Goodwill. All the clothes that, you know, clearly the kids can't fit anymore in bags for my mom, trying to, you know, get rid of clothes to Goodwill myself. So, you know, that's just the reason why I didn't really want to vlog. But if you are doing Veda, which is vlogging every day in the month of August, comment down below and I will definitely write it down so that I can try my best to come over and support the videos right along with everyone else.
Captain Sauter's gonna ask me.
Oh, just tell him I was difficult.
Might have been real estate. So you are moving.
Let me know what you find.
Alright, y'all, I just came from my garden. This actually fell off. I'm sad. I'm gonna see if I can try to let it continue to grow inside. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do, but I really don't want to bring nets in here. But if I can get it to finish growing in here, I'll take it. Anyway. Some of them are just dying. Some of them are glowing and growing. And yes, I had to wash my hair. So today will be the day that I actually tame it while I can. But y'all see exactly why I didn't want to vlog, because with Veda coming up, it's gonna be a lot. But at the same time, I'm gonna make that content. All right, so I have dishes I need to do. And then, honestly, I'm gonna make some type of breakfast. I don't know what it's gonna be just yet. But we're gonna make some breakfast real quick. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I washed my hair the other day, Friday, and then put it up in a ponytail and kind of just like twisted it, and this is the outcome of that. Hopefully it doesn't. It's still like kind of wet in the middle, but I hope it doesn't tangle up before I can do something to it. But I'm gonna get ready to go thrifting with my grandmother again for the second Sunday in a row. Outfit is just a pink shirt with these. Doesn't really match, but I don't care. It's already hot out, so I just want to be comfortable. Okay. It's gonna be fun.
All Goodwill stores. Ask a team member for details today.
Oh yeah, that's cute. All right, y'all, so I am done in Goodwill. And I think my total was $43. So I did get a glass mug. I'll show you guys that. And I got some little pumpkin plates that I can use in the fall. But I also ended up getting every single item in the color of the week, which was green. The only thing that I did not get in the color green was just a certain shirt that I really, really wanted, which was at regular price for $5.99. So I will show you guys everything that I got once I get home and settled. By the way, if you're liking this type of video, or this type of content, I should say, comment down below and let me know. All right, y'all, so I'm home from Goodwill and Food Lion. Let me show y'all what we picked up. All right, so I picked up these Rainbow Sprinkle Lucky Charms. These are new. These are like birthday cake flavor, some Sonic fries, hazelnut coffee creamer, some large cooked shrimp by Nature's Promise that is organic, and then I got 2 Lunchables, 1 chips with salsa, and then chicken nuggets. The vegetable roasting tray, which was on closeout for like $2.30. A whole thing of chicken tenderloin so that I can make the chicken tenders on the grill today. I got cream of chicken soup, and then I got hot dogs as well as some fatback ricotta cheese to make some baked ziti this week. Some more cherries for Shirley Temple. I got some milk, 2 of the jellos, so I got grape and I got the island pineapple to do the frozen grapes with for the kids, some Ziploc bags, aluminum foil, 2 bags each of the Utz barbecue and original, 2 of these Big Hug fruit barrels, and then 2 drinks. The drinks that I got is Sprite and Coke, and then I got some hot dog bun and bread. And I'm getting ready to grill up the shrimp. I seasoned these with a couple different seasonings, and I want to just get this out on the grill, so I'm getting that started. It is Shark Week.
Especially the notch in the dorsal fin. Wow. We've been looking for Colossus for a long time and nothing. This could be the most promising leaf that we've ever had.